Introduction to perfect salmon. Did you know that over 80% of home-cooked salmon fillets turn out dry and flaky? The biggest culprit? Overcooking. Even a minute too long can turn that tender, juicy fish into a rubbery mess. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook salmon perfectly every time. Quick, easy, and foolproof. Hi everyone, and welcome to Taste in a Flash. One of the most popular and nutritious dishes you can make at home is salmon. It's packed with omega-3s, delicious, and surprisingly simple to cook, if you know the right tricks. Whether you're prepping a quick dinner or impressing guests, mastering the perfect salmon fillet is a skill every home cook should have. But here's the challenge. Salmon is delicate. It's easy to overcook it, which ruins that silky texture we all love. Plus, uneven seasoning and inconsistent heat can make your fillets turn out less than perfect. Many people struggle with knowing when it's done. So they either undercook, risking rawness, or overcook, ending up with dry, tough fish. Sound familiar? Well, today, I'll help you conquer those issues. Welcome to the segment on cooking the perfect salmon. Today we're going to show you how to achieve that delicious, flaky texture and rich flavor that makes salmon such a beloved dish. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, pat the fillets dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for getting that nice, crispy skin. Next, generously season both sides with salt and pepper. And if you're feeling a bit adventurous, sprinkle on some minced garlic and chopped herbs for extra flavor. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Now let's move on to heating the skillet. You'll want to heat it over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter and let it get hot, just until it starts to shimmer. This is the key to achieving that perfect sear on your salmon. Place the salmon fillet skin side down in the hot skillet. Press down gently to ensure even contact. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the skin is crispy and the fish is about 80% cooked through. Use a digital thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the fillet. The target internal temperature is 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly flaky, tender salmon. Carefully flip the fillet and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the internal temperature reaches your target. Squeeze fresh lemon over the fish during the last minute. Remove from heat and let the salmon rest for about a minute. This helps retain moisture. Serve with lemon slices and fresh herbs if desired. And that's it. Remember, heat control, proper seasoning, and that one simple flip are your keys to success. With these tips, you'll be cooking salmon that's tender, flavorful, and perfectly cooked every time. Did you try this trick? Let me know in the comments your experience with salmon, or share your favorite seafood recipes. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and tasty cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's the simple trick that makes all the difference. Cook your salmon skin side down on medium-high heat until the skin is crispy and the fish is about 80% cooked through. Then flip and finish. Remove immediately once it hits the perfect temperature and let it rest. This ensures moist, flaky, and flavorful salmon every time. And that's it. Remember, heat control, proper seasoning, and that one simple flip are your keys to success. With these tips, you'll be cooking salmon that's tender, flavorful, and perfectly cooked every time. Did you try this trick? Let me know in the comments your experience with salmon, or share your favorite seafood recipes. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and tasty cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.